Quick tour of the Aquila 54 Island Living. Nice and easy crane for the davit. The awesome bar. This is the fifth cabin or crew quarters. There is the own head. Full-size fridge. Look at this salon. It's like being at home. Nice big galley. Guest room with their own private head. Lots of storage on all these boats. All those are storage. These are storage lockers. Their own private head. Big shower. VIP guest cabin. That's right, VIP guest. There's one bigger. All these boats are beautiful, nice, big windows, lots of storage, locker behind the door. And the master. King size bed, access from both sides. Power outlets everywhere, fans, lots of storage. Big shower and head.